have I got next? Izzy, how did you get on with yours?
I found that the concept board was a really like easy way to like put all of your thoughts into the same place.
Mm-hmm.
But I made a Pinterest board and I was going to print it out and then like display it like a collage. But then my printer, I don't really know what happened, but it just wasn't working. So I've got a Pinterest board on my phone. But I was going for Emilio Pucci, who does like very like bright patterns, and then mixed with the Victorian era. So basically big dresses with bright patterns.
Love it.
Yeah, I love that idea. And did it kind of give you some ideas of what you might design as well?
Yeah, I think that you look at the Victorian style dresses and garments, but then use the patterns and colours that are in Pucci's work to draw them together.
Really interesting. Great. Julia, I've got you next on my screen. How did you do?
Yeah, so I did the ancient Greek art and I did the 1800s, and they were both like really intricate, so I thought they went well together. So this was the ancient Greek art stuff, and then that was the 1800s.
Cool. And how do you kind of feel that you would merge those designs?
Well, I think because they used so much detail, because in the Greek, the pottery and sculptures, everything had to be perfect and all the lines and symmetry had to be perfect. And that's the same with in the 1800s, all the symmetry and all the dresses would be exact and everything would be really intricate and specifically done for a purpose.
Yeah, absolutely.
So